Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy. Today's topic is sequence and series, which is from class 12 mathematics. Dear students, in this video, we are going to prove the three formula. Dear students, the first formula is to find the sum of the first n natural numbers. The second formula is the formula to find the sum of first n even numbers, and the third formula is the formula to find the sum of the first n odd numbers. Dear students, the sum of the first n natural numbers, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2. The second formula is the sum of the first n even numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus plus 2n is equal to n times n plus 1. And the third formula is the formula of the sum of first n odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus plus 2n minus 1 is equal to n squared. So dear students, this formula are frequently used to find the sum of the series, which are the sum of the first natural numbers, the sum of the first n even numbers, the sum of the first n odd numbers. So let's prove the first formula at first. Dear students, we are going to prove the first formula, which is the sum of the first n natural numbers. The sum of the first n natural numbers, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2. Dear students, if we are given any number of the first n natural numbers, then we can easily find the sum of the series by using the formula Sn equals to n plus 1 by 2. Dear students, let us prove this formula. The given series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus n. Dear students, this is an arithmetic series. The first term of arithmetic series is, the first term of the given series is a equals 1. A equals 1. Since this is an arithmetic series, the common difference we can find by using the formula t2 minus t1. Dear students, in arithmetic series, common difference is always the same. That means the difference between any two consecutive terms is always constant. So the common difference means t2 minus t1, second term minus first term. So 2 minus 1, we get 1. The common difference, we have got 1, and the last term of this series is n, which is found by using the formula of general term of arithmetic sequence. Dear students, we know the general term of arithmetic sequence is Tn equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So here the first term is 1 plus n minus 1. The common difference is 1. So if we put the value of first term a equals 1 and common difference which is equal to 1, and if we do the calculation, then we get Tn equals n. The general term of the first n natural number is n, which we get by using the formula Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So dear students, in this series, the first term is a equals 1, the common difference is t2 minus t1, that means equals to 1, and the last term, which we have found by using the formula of general term, Tn is equal to n. So we know the first term, common difference, and the last term. Dear students, if the first term and the last term of an arithmetic series are known, then we can use the formula Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. This is the formula to find the sum of an arithmetic series when the first term and last term are given. Dear students, here the first term is 1, so we can put value of a1, and the last term is n. Last term is n. So dear students, n times n plus 1 over 2. So dear students, this is the proof of the formula of the sum of the first n natural numbers. Now we are going to prove the second formula, which is the sum of the first n even numbers. Dear students, now we are going to prove the sum of the first n even numbers. The sum of the first n even numbers is equal to n times n plus 1. Let's prove it. Dear students, the given series is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus plus 2n. The first term of this is also an arithmetic. This is also an arithmetic series. The first term is a equals 2, and the common difference is t2 minus t1. So t2 means second term, which is 4, and t1 means first term, which is 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Dear students, the last term, or we can say the general term of the first n even numbers is 2n, which we can calculate by using the formula of the general term of arithmetic progression. Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. Dear students, if we know the first term and last term of an arithmetic series, then we can find the sum of the series by using the formula Sn equals n by 2 a plus l. Dear students, Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d, which will give us the general term of the given series. A means 2, the first term of the given series is 2, plus n minus 1. Common difference we have found d equals t2 minus t1, which is equal to 2. So dear students, by using the formula of Tn, we can get the general term of the given series equal to 2n, 2 times of n. So this is the general term, which is the last term of the given series. Dear students, now let's put the value of, dear students, let's put the value of first term. First term is 2, and the last term is 2n, which is also the general term of the given series. Now if we take 2 common, then we'll get 1 plus n. So taking 2 common, dear students, now we can cancel 2 from numerator and denominator, then we get n times n plus 1. So dear students, this is the sum of the first n even numbers, which is equal to n times n plus 1. Now we are going to prove the third formula, which is the formula to find the sum of the first n odd numbers. Dear students, we are going to prove the third formula, which is the sum of the first n odd numbers. The given series is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2n minus 1. Dear students, the first term of the given series is a equals 1, and the common difference is t2 minus t1. T2 is 3, second term, minus first term is 1. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. Dear students, the last term of the given series is 2n minus 1, which is the general term of the given series. Dear students, the last term of the given series we can find out by using the formula of general term of arithmetic progression. Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. So a means first term, 1 plus n minus 1. D, the common difference we have found 2. So 2. Now 2 times n, we get 2n, 2 ones are 2. 2n plus 1 minus 2, we get minus 1. So Tn means 2n minus 1. That means the last term of the given series is 2n minus 1. Now we know that the sum of arithmetic series, when the first term and last term are given, then the sum of the arithmetic series is given by the formula Sn equals n by 2 a plus l. Dear students, let's put the value of first term and last term of the given series. N over 2 a. A means first term, which is 1, and the last term is 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 we can cancel. Dear students, now the remaining terms are n by 2 times 2n. So dear students, if we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator, then we get n times n equals n square. So dear students, we have got Sn equals n square. Sn equals n square, which is the sum of the first n odd numbers. So dear students, thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.